In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send message in Meta Business Suite. If you manage messages across Facebook, Instagram, or WhatsApp, this tool gives you one organized place to respond quickly and professionally. Let's walk through it together so you can start replying with confidence. Begin by opening your web browser and searching for Meta Business Suite. From the results, choose the official Meta link. Look for a secure connection in your address bar to make sure you're on the legitimate site. This helps protect your account and your customers' data. Once you're on the site, select the correct link to open the suite. If you manage multiple pages or profiles, you may be prompted to choose which business you want to work with. Pick the right one so your inbox matches the audience you intend to serve. Next, log in using your Facebook or Instagram credentials. Use the account that has access to your business assets. If you have security tools enabled, complete any verification steps. When you're in, you'll land on your business dashboard. On the left-hand menu, click Inbox. It's the icon that looks like a speech bubble. This opens your unified inbox, where messages from Messenger, Instagram, and WhatsApp can appear together. It's designed to save time by putting all conversations side by side. From the list on the left, choose a message you want to answer. At the top, you can filter by channel: Messenger, Instagram, or WhatsApp, so you see exactly the conversations you need. This is especially helpful if different team members focus on different platforms. At the bottom of the conversation, click into the text box and type your reply. Keep it clear, friendly, and specific to the customer's question. If you need a new line without sending, use Shift+Enter to format your message neatly before it goes out. Below the text box, use the icons to add assets. You can attach files, include images, or insert emojis to keep your tone approachable. Make sure attachments are relevant and easy to open, and preview images so they display the way you expect. If you answer the same questions often, click the speech bubble with a plus sign to open saved replies. Choose a pre-written response, then tailor it to the customer's details so it feels personal while saving you time. When you're happy with your message, click Send or press Enter. Give it a final glance to confirm the right channel and attachments. Your reply will post instantly, and you can continue the conversation from the same thread whenever the customer responds.